This spider egg sack craft is fun to make with kids for Halloween. They would be great to decorate the classroom for school Halloween parties or your home on Halloween night. Your party guests and trick-or-treaters are sure to love them. You need white yarn, Mod Podge Stiffy, balloons, and a bowl. Start by blowing up the balloon. Pour the mixture into a bowl and add the yarn. Wrap the yarn around the balloons and allow them to dry overnight. Pop the balloon and slowly remove it. Add some yarn to hang the egg and some black spiders. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.